tonight as a 33-year-old candidate for district attorney with a totally grateful heart. Nobody in this county had to trust me to win this primary. Nobody in this county had to vote for or support a 33-year-old candidate for district attorney. But it's a new day. It's going to be a new day in criminal justice on September 1st. It's going to be a new day for parts of this community that have been hurting, and I'm grateful. I am acutely aware that we had a full summer of campaigning. We have not won at all. We are through the first leg. We did well, and I'm proud of that. I will thank most people in August when we are successful, but I do want to thank just a few people. Number one, my supporters and encouragers. You know who you are. I wouldn't have got through this election if it wasn't for you. My parents have stood next to me throughout this process. I want to thank General Pinkston. General Pinkston served this county well for 8 years. He will continue to serve through August, and he's done a lot of things really well. Public service is hard. I know that. I grew up with it. And General Pinkston has kids that have watched him serve well too. So I'm thankful for his service. I hope that this summer he can help me transition into office. But the people that I want to thank more than anybody else are the people that don't know me. The people that didn't know anything about Coty Wamp 10 months ago, and then got to know me, and had coffee with me, and had lunch with me, and called me and asked me questions, and listened, and were flexible enough to go to the polls and vote for me. Thank you. There's a lot to be done. This summer, we're going to focus on bridging gaps in this community. We are going to focus on relationship building. We are going to focus on common goals. I will be in Alton Park. I will be in St. Elmo. I will be in Ottawa. I will be in Collegedale. I will be in Hickson. I will be at Eastlake Courts. I will be everywhere, and I will be listening. I will be learning because I want to work with everybody. Thank you to my supporters, but what I'm asking from this community today is to join me tomorrow, because tomorrow is May 4th. I will be the Republican nominee for District Attorney General, and I want everybody with me. And it doesn't matter if you supported me. It doesn't matter if you supported my opponent publicly. I'm asking you to join me. Everyone is welcome in this mission. Again, with as much gratitude and humility as I can stand here with, thank you. Across the board, women are making a difference in this country. And quite frankly, in criminal justice, women are making a difference across this country. So, as what I believe will be the first female district attorney in this judicial district, I am extremely proud, and I hope that every woman in this county takes a little bit of joy, whether you supported me or not. I hope every woman in this county takes a little bit of joy in this victory. September 1st, we're going to restore the position of child sex abuse prosecutor. The Children's Advocacy Center used to have a partner in the DA's office, and they have not for the last several years when our district attorney got rid of it. On September 1, that position will be restored. That'll be the day I'm sworn in, and they will have a prosecutor in the office over at Eastgate at the CAC that will partner with the Family Justice Center and the Special Victims Unit. Next is violent crime. We know we have a violent crime problem. We'll create a gang and violent crime unit in the district attorney's office under my umbrella within the first few months. And then we're going to start focusing on opioid abuse, specifically fentanyl. We're going to have more resources in my office if I'm elected in August to address both opioid abuse, but also to assist the families of overdose death victims, because we need that right now. 128 overdose deaths just from fentanyl alone last year. We need resources in our DA's office. This is small leg, honestly. In my opinion, it's a big victory in the sense that a lot of this county supported me that never had to support me, and we've got a big lead right now. But the summer's gonna be long, and my opponent now is practiced law for quite some time. But we're not going to focus on the race itself. We're going to focus on the transition period into office, what criminal justice is going to look like for the next decade, because it's an 8-year term, so it's almost a decade. So all summer we're going to be working with the community to get bring everybody together. Is what we're going to do. I don't want my campaign this summer to feel like a campaign. I want it to really feel like a mission. I want it to feel like a unifying mission where we're just bringing everybody together. The thing about criminal justice is that we all agree on most of it. It's not like other races in the sense that there's all these divisive issues. We all want this place to be safer. Public safety continues to poll as the #1 issue. We all agree we just want our streets to be safer. I would like to break down the walls and the barriers in this community right now and come together around this issue.